Hello student, welcome to the online classes of class 5th. Today we will discuss about the subjective and objective part from your book. Chapter 5 is health, disease and hygiene. Now in this chapter we will discuss about the question answer parts. So let's start with first question. Define the communicable disease and give two examples. So the answer is disease that can be spread from one infected person to a healthy person in direct or indirect manner, that is communicable disease. In this picture you can see the chicken pox and second example is ringworm. Now moving on a next question. Next question is how does dengue disease spread? Dengue is spread by an Aedes mosquito. Aedes is a name of mosquito that spread the dengue disease. This is infected with dengue virus and this mosquito bites when healthy person and the germs get transferred into the blood and infect him or her. Next question is what is the cause of tuberculosis? मीन्स ट्यूबरक्लोसिस कैसे कॉज हो रहा है. ट्यूबरक्लोसिस इज एयरबॉर्न डिजीज एंड द एयर bacteria is released into the air by the diseased person when they sneeze, when they cough or their stuff. Which virus is carried by dog? मीन्स डॉग के थ्रू कौन सा वायरस स्प्रेड होता है. Rabies disease virus is carried by the dogs. What is non-communicable disease? Give two examples. So, the disease that cannot spread from one infected person to the other, that is non-communicable disease, and they are caused due to deficiency of vitamins and the minerals. Example is kidney infection, heart problem, chronic diseases, cancer, that arthritis, that is the non-communicable disease. Diabetes, communicable disease. Now moving on, next is answer the following question in detail. So what is deficiency disease and how can we prevent the deficiency diseases? The disease caused from the absence of vitamins and minerals are called diseases like night blindness, scurvy and beriberi. We can prevent deficiency disease by consuming balanced diet. Moving on a next question, and next is explain some ways to prevent communicable disease. Means how we prevent the communicable disease. We can prevent communicable disease by uncovered food items should not be consumed. We should keep the dustbin covered. We should not share towels, cloth with the infected person, and we should wash hand with the soap and sanitizer and the water before and after the meal. Moving on a next question, and the next question is what kind of disease are caused by the nutrition and how? Obesity is caused by our overnutrition. मीन्स जब हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा न्यूट्रिशन टेक कर लेते हैं तो ओबेसिटी डिजीज़ हो जाती है. When we consume too much nutrients but do not burn off the energy, बट उतनी एनर्जी हम लोगों की लॉस नहीं हो पाती है, बर्न नहीं हो पाती है थ्रू द एक्सरसाइज एंड फिज़िकल एक्टिविटीज़, and this leads to obesity. Next, next question is the questions based on thinking skills. Here, the first question: what suggestion you gave to pupil in following situation? First situation is a person suffering from cough and cold. Now, what we do at that situation? We can do cover your nose with a tissue while coughing and sneezing, and don't forget to throw these tissue paper after using in the dustbin. Next question is person eating lots of junk food. Do the proper exercise when a people eat too much junk food. What can we do? Do the proper exercise and physical activities for burning the energy, otherwise junk food leads to the obesity and the other diseases. Next question is a person who eats healthy food but does not exercise at all. Without exercise and physical activities, we can't burn off the energy and this will be stored by the body as fat. मीन्स जब हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्दी फूड भी लेते हैं फिर भी हम लोगों को डिजीज़ेज़ होने लगती हैं एंड ओबेसिटी हो जाती है. So, the reason behind this situation is we can't do the exercise, proper exercise and physical activities. So, we can do yoga and exercise and the physical activities. So, students, the subjective parts of your book is completed here, and now we will start with the exercise part in your book, and the exercise part is first exercise is choose the correct option. First option question is which of the following is a communicable or infectious disease? Okay, now tell me the right answer. First question is rickets. Rickets is a communicable disease? No, rickets is a non-communicable disease and it is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D. Obesity is a infectious disease? No, this one is also a wrong answer because just few minutes ago I explained the obesity is caused due to the too much junk food. Kidney failure is a communicable? No, it is also a non-communicable disease. So, the correct answer is chicken pox. Chicken pox is a non-communicable disease. Which of the following carries dengue virus? Anopheles mosquito? No, Anopheles carries malaria disease. Aedes mosquito? Is this a correct answer? Yes, this one is a correct answer. Dog is a carrier of rabies virus, and fly is also spread different type of diseases. Which of these diseases is spread through a contaminated water? Contaminated water means the water that is not healthy. So, dengue is a correct answer? No. Malaria is a correct answer? No. Because dengue and malaria both are spread by the mosquitoes. So, the correct answer is cholera because tuberculosis is spread by the air. Vaccine, next question is vaccine when injected in a body produce. First is antibiotics? No. Second is antigens? No. And last option is allergy? No. So, the correct answer is antibodies. Moving on a last question, and the last question is which of the following is a non-communicable disease? Chickenpox. Chickenpox is a communicable disease. Measles is also, and tuberculosis is also. So, diabetes is a non-communicable disease, and this one is a correct answer. Now, next is fill in the blanks. First fill in the blank is communicable disease are caused by disease causing germs called the pathogens. Pathogens are the germs that that spread the communicable diseases. Pathogens are also known as microorganisms. Blank. Next question is blank. The disease can spread through an infected person. Answer is communicable disease. Communicable disease can spread through an infected person. Next is malaria is caused by the female blank mosquito. So, the answer is Anopheles. Malaria is caused by the female Anopheles mosquito. Next question is blank is a method of introducing dead or weakened disease causing germs into the body. Answer is vaccination is the method. Last fill up is blank is a result of overeating. Overeating leads the obesity disease. Next is write the T for the true statement and F for the false statement. So, the first question is chickenpox is caused by the bacteria. No, this one is a wrong statement and the false statement. Second is measles is caused by a virus. Yes, measles is caused by a virus. That's why it is a true statement. Third, malaria is caused by a protozoa which is spread through the bite of dog. Malaria is caused by the female Anopheles. That's why this one is also a wrong statement. Tetanus disease can be prevented by taking vaccination. Yes, this one is a correct statement. Antibodies protect our body against a particular disease. This one is also a correct true statement. Now moving on, next exercise and last exercise, that is match the following. Tuberculosis is caused by the bacteria and malaria. Guess the answer, which one is matched with the malaria? Yes, answer is protozoa. Athlete food is matched with the fungi and AIDS is matched with the virus. Okay. So, tuberculosis is spread by bacteria, malaria is spread by protozoa, athlete foot is spread by fungi and AIDS is spread by virus. Next is identify the following organism and write their name and disease they caused. Here the 4 diagrams are present. You identify the diagram of the microorganism and write their name and also write the disease name that is spread by this microorganism. So, first one is fungi. Fungi spread ringworms and food poisoning. Second is protozoa. Protozoa leads the malaria and sleeping sickness and dysentery disease. Third one is virus. Virus spread common cold, AIDS and swine flu and also the corona. Next is bacteria. Bacteria causes cholera, typhoid and tetanus. So students, here the objective and subjective parts is completed. Thank you. Bye. Take care.